Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi 6E System. Installation Guide. Applies to routers that support Tenda Wi-Fi app management. If the Ethernet port is marked as a number, example, 1, 2 or 3, it means that any port can be functioned as one or LAN port. If the Ethernet port is marked as 1/LAN, it means that the port is 1, and LAN multiplexing port. By default, it is 1 port. Router MX12 is used for example. Step 1. Install the Tenda Wi-Fi app. Step 2. Connect the router to the internet. Step 3. Extend network. For 1-pack product, refer to Step 1 to Step 2. For 2-pack or 3-pack products, refer to Step 1 to Step 3. Download the Tenda Wi-Fi app onto your smartphone by scanning the QR code. Then install the Tenda Wi-Fi app. The QR code can also be found on the gift box and quick installation guide of the router. Step 2. Connect the router to the internet. For FTTH, connect the WAN port of the router to the LAN port of the optical modem using an Ethernet cable. For telephone line to the home, connect the WAN port of the router to the LAN port of the DSL modem using an Ethernet cable. For Ethernet cable to home, connect the Ethernet cable directly to the WAN port of the router. Use the included power adapter to power on the router. The LED indicator of the router will be solid on and then blinks. Tap Settings. Enable WLAN. Connect the Wi-Fi network of the router. The Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password can be found on the bottom label of the router. Tap Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password, and tap Connect. Wait a moment, the connection is successful. If your browser automatically displays a web configuration page of the router, please ignore it. Run the Tenda Wi-Fi app. Tap Start Now. Tap Next after the internet connection type is detected. If the recommended internet connection type is PPPoE, enter the PPPoE username and password provided by your ISP. Tap Next. If the recommended internet connection type is dynamic IP, tap Next. Tap Next. Set Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. The Wi-Fi password is set as the login password by default. You can customize the password as required. Tap Next. Settings completed. When the LED indicator of the router is solid on, the internet connection is successful. If it is 1-pack product, and is used as a router, the configuration is complete and you can try to access the internet. Step 3. Extend network. The 3-pack products are taken as an example here. Place the rest nodes in the package within 3 meters of the primary node and power them on. Wait for about 3 minutes. When the LED indicators of these nodes turn from blinking green to solid green, The networking is successful. Place the secondary nodes in a proper position and power them on. Wait until the LED indicators blink green slowly. Observe the LED indicator of the secondary node until the LED indicator lights solid green. Otherwise, relocate the secondary node and move it closer to the other node. Settings completed. Access the Internet. Connect your computer to the LAN port of the router using an Ethernet cable. Connect your wireless devices, such as smartphones, to the new Wi-Fi network. Tap Settings. Tap WLAN. Target and select the Wi-Fi of the router. Enter the Wi-Fi password, and tap Connect. Wait a moment, the connection is successful. Enjoy the Internet.